Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to install Adobe Acrobat Reader in your PC or laptop. Okay, let's start the video. Open browser and type here Adobe Reader. Now hit enter. Now click on download Adobe Acrobat Reader free PDF viewer. Okay, remove checkmark from here. Install McAfee security. Now click on download Acrobat Reader. Setup file is downloading. Please wait. File is downloaded. Click on this setup file. Installation error detected. The process will Adobe Reader installation is required to uninstall any older version from this machine. Okay, click on uninstall and continue. In this my PC, old version is installed already. Okay. Now installing in process. Please wait. It's take a time depend upon internet speed. I am fast forward this video for save time. Now click on finish to complete these steps. Okay. Now click on finish. Acrobat Reader is opening. This is Acrobat Reader interface and Acrobat Reader. Okay. Installation is complete. Okay. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.